Hey friends, Scott Einstein here and welcome to the first vlog video of this channel. Today we are going to be discussing about where to start hacking, how can you be a real hacker or such stuff, so stay tuned. Alright guys, first of all, this is the first vlog of this channel, I know. I just wanted to be more close with you guys making such videos because I look too serious on my videos. I wanted to make it clear. So this is a place where I stay for holiday, and so let's start. The first question comes, what is hacker actually? Well, after 1970s, computers started to improve really fast. With the Dennis Ritchie or Tim Berners-Lee, they founded C programming languages, internet, other stuff. So these guys were named hackers. Well, at that time, at like 1970s, 80s, people who knew something on computers were hackers. Yes, they were using the name hacker for them. But after 1990s, with the help of the Hollywood, the word hacker changed with cracker, actually, really. So right now what the new hackers do is they just basically use what the old hackers did. They invented the C programming. Right now the new hackers, the modern hackers, use these tools they created, these programming languages they created, their operating systems. They improve this and use for cracking. In the modern term, hacker means actually cracker. I don't know what I'm saying because English is not my native language, as you guys can understand. I'm just getting used to it. So let's start here. What I got is a MacBook Air, what I use for daily purposes, for holiday purposes, because it's a lightning machine that you can go with it to everywhere. And if you guys are wondering how I record this video, I used Xiaomi Yi action camera with a head belt. I don't know how can I name that, and you can just see yourself live from your phone. It's great. Also, okay, let's come here back. What I got here is a MacBook Air, as I said. So when you boot into this, it's automatically open the Mac OS X, which is the main operating system of the MacBooks or Apple computers. So if I close this machine and put this USB stick here, which is 32 gigs, and it has the Linux Ubuntu on it. So if I just put this on and boot into it, well, it will start to boot into the Ubuntu. It takes a while. Anyway, so I was saying, where should you start hacking? What should you do? What should you know? First of all, I suggest you to install a Linux on your computer. Well, why I say Linux? Because Linux is an open source operating system which helps you to modify every single part of the operating system. So this way you can do anything you want. You can use your hardware the way you like, After a while you get used to it, you can go to the command line stuff like this one. And if I should say, computers have two interfaces, which is command line interface and graphical user interface. So this is the command line interface, and this is the graphical user interface. I suggest you the Ubuntu because it's clear and it will help you to understand the basics of the Linux. I don't suggest you to install Linux Kali at the first because it can be hard if you don't know anything about Linux stuff or Linux systems. If you're able to use the command line interface, you can do such hacking stuff, a lot of hacking stuff if you want. Maybe this can be a little bit confusing for you, but okay, I'm just gonna say again. First, learn about Linux. Second, learn about command line, and the third is learning a programming language, which is Python. Yes, Python programming language, which will help you understand the computer basics. Knowing a programming language is important for hackers because let's think that you have a few hacking tools created by others, well, which helps you to hack, Wi-Fi passwords or other stuff. But let's think that that hacking skills is a gun and the programming is a bullet. Well, with the gun you can scare your targets maybe, but if you want to defeat them and you don't have the bullets, which is the programming knowledge, then you can't do anything. That's a great example that also a famous hacker gave to me a few years ago. Anyways, as I can say, it's hard to make such videos because I don't know if I'm too shy to talk, and I'm just trying to make things easier for you guys. I will be making tutorials, stuff. Anyways, I just wanted to be more close with you guys, so drop any question you have to the comments, and also what I said here I will be giving sources on the description down below, so you can go check out the links in the description to have sources where you can learn, command line or Linux, how to install it on your computer or such stuff. Yes, this is the first video that I made, so hope to see you on the next videos, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, share, and you know the rest. Okay, bye.